Alright, hey there YouTube, welcome back. I appreciate you guys coming to watch me hopefully fix this engine block on this Jeep. Let's try to get some light. I'm going to break this up into some smaller videos just to kind of show you some of the steps that I'm taking, and so you guys aren't overloaded with a bunch of stuff. But yeah, so I already drilled the hole. I determined where the crack ended or started, or however you want to look at it. It was right up in here. This hole goes all the way up inside where the coolant flows, so that's pretty good, I think. It just stopped right below this big rib, and I want to wallow it out. Now I we'll try to see if some of that footage I can use. The program that I use doesn't have like a stabilizing feature, or really doesn't work all that good, because I had you up above and watching me drill. But we'll see, maybe I'll include some of that. But anyway, the crack kind of comes along down through here, and the gap increases more as you get through here, and then it stops or began right here on this face, and it goes all the way through, so which is probably a good thing. But we're gonna have to remove quite a bit of material, so that when we use the welding rod and fill the stuff that the gap, that crack won't really be left on the other side, and basically crack through the new weld material and possibly make it even worse. Right here on this face is where I'm most concerned about, cutting down into there and then filling it in, and then trying to figure out how I'm gonna smooth it out. But we'll get that figured out. So I'm gonna get another drill bit. I'm gonna drill that out. I'll find my die grinder bits, and I'll try to set you guys up again, so at least maybe you can watch me grind, and we'll speed it up and all that good stuff. But yeah, let me get a slightly larger drill bit, and I will bring you right back. Oh shoot, guys, I thought I hit record when I put you up there to see what I was doing, but I guess I didn't. I wanted to explain, and what I did explain but didn't catch it, was that the reason why I'm stop drilling that crack is to abruptly end it so it doesn't continue on. And then the pin, the metal piece that I'm going to use as a pin in there, is kind of like a shock absorber and void filler. That's how I understand it. But it's in the crack. And what I'm doing now, though, and what I was doing, is I was using the Dremel here, the Ryobi Dremel type tool, to kind of bevel the edges and get down in there. I want it to be, you can kind of see where it's kind of just peeking through. I don't want to go too much more than that, because if I do, I'm going to have to put some material in there to fill the gap, which I guess could be alright if I got a thin rod or something. That would be just fine, but I'm worried still about this face. But I think we're gonna get it. I just think I want to cut on the inside and then along this edge pretty deep, and then I don't want to make it too wide of a gap. But we'll see. I'm gonna continue working on this, though. I probably should put my pin in there first, but it might have fallen out when I started doing all this stuff, so this might be okay. But yeah, so I'm gonna keep working on this, and then I will bring you guys in the next video.